What's going on, guys? Andrew Montana here. So it's Meal Prep Monday, and I am cooking up one of my favorite carbs. Now, a lot of my clients will ask me what carbs should I eat. I always recommend, I keep it basic, so potatoes, rice, oatmeal. Those are pretty much my three main carb sources, and to be honest, sweet potatoes are one of my favorites, and they're super easy to make. They don't take a ton of time either. So what I did was, if you guys want to do this at home, get your sweet potatoes. I got these from Costco. Any sweet potatoes are fine. And what you want to do, I personally think they taste best when they're baked. So what I did, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees so it's nice and hot in there. And this is how I do it. So I washed my potatoes. You guys want to make sure you poke them both sides. I like to do with a fork because if you don't, they're probably gonna blow up in the oven and nobody wants to clean up that mess. So wash your potato, set your oven 400 degrees, poke holes in them, and then simply you could use a baking sheet. This is what I have right now here. And all you do is set them in there with a tin foil, sprayed a little bit of Pam on them, which you don't have to, but it's a little nice just so they're not sticking to anything. And it's so easy, guys. 1 hour in the oven and they're gonna be just fine. So pop these babies in here. Like I said, 1 hour. I'm cooking up 5 potatoes right now. And that's it. I'm gonna set my timer on my phone for about an hour. Sometimes the fatter ones, they might take a little bit longer, but it's super easy. You pop them in there, go do whatever you want. I already cooked up my chicken earlier, and that's it. So that's how I personally bake my sweet potatoes. Remember, oven 400 degrees, wash your potato, make sure you poke the holes in them, pop them in there for about an hour, check them. You wanna make sure they're nice and soft, and then that's it. And you guys have one of the best carbs you can possibly eat. Loaded with vitamins, low glycemic, high in potassium, and it's just a great food. It tastes super good too. Throw some cinnamon on there if you want. Throw a little bit of honey, some sugar-free syrup I've even done in the past. And it's just great. So hope that helped you guys out. Just a short one take here for Meal Prep Monday. If you found the video helpful, make sure you subscribe below. And if this helped you out, help me out, leave me a thumbs up. Appreciate you guys. Catch you in the next one.